Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame perspective, we can see that gold is showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall picture in the market. Now from the monthly, we can see that gold is a long-term bearish market. If we look at the high of this monthly resistance, we saw that gold has triggered all-time high previous months and then closed as a long bearish engulfer. Now this month so far, once the market opened, we have seen the initial pullback to the upside, and then gold has a strong rejection towards the downside. Currently the price is below this previous monthly low, and as you can see, it's a long-term downtrending market. We could see this week also gold may continue to drop, and even we could see further drop to this level on gold. Now, if we look at the weekly time frame, we can see that from the weekly perspective, after this previous weekly doji, this week also gold has formed a long bearish candle. Now, if we look at the overall picture in the market on the weekly as well, we see that there is a strong rejection from here, has broken this channel. This is the bullish channel, has broken, and then we saw multiple time retest, created a series of lower high on the weekly, and followed by this doji. And previous week there was a long bearish candle. Now with that bearish candle, what we can see that gold currently below this weekly support level. What I think that this week, after little pullback, we can expect another drop on gold. Now if we look at the daily, we see that there is a long week candle. Last day of trading week there was an unusual movement to the upside, has broken this daily high and then immediately rejected. Now this daily candle in fact has tested exactly this previous support, which is turning resistance here. What I think that on the market opening we might see another retest of this level, and then we could see lower high. As we see that overall picture is bearish, finally we could see a drop in this market on the lower time frame. Now looking at 4 hour perspective, we can see that gold has formed a dynamic resistance that we can see clearly. This is the level that the price was dropping, and I think that on the market opening we might see initial pullback to the upside, and then we can expect another rejection towards the downside on gold. Now if we look at further lower time frame, we can see that there was a liquidity gap here almost nearly to this resistance line and created a lower high, had a rejection. Now with the rejection the price has come back down here. Now if we look at last couple of hourly candle, we see that gold uh, has grabbed liquidity here multiple times with this bearish candle, followed by a long week candle. Now with that candlestick pattern, we saw that gold currently forming another bearish price action. This is the zone that I will be waiting for on gold for a potential selling opportunity. But I think that on the market opening we might see an immediate drop, or we could see initial pullback and then drop. So this is where I will be waiting for a lower time frame entry in the beginning of the trading week. So as soon as you will find suitable entry on gold, we will consider going short with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't hesitate to leave a comment below. That will help this idea. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.